thank you. Thank you guys, and welcome back to Paradise Nation Originals. And feel free, subscribe as in the company channel. You see me? We are going normal and we are putting in work. All Richard Brown's films, Paradise Nation Originals. Thank you guys. You guys have been great.
Paradise Nation, Richard Brown films. Oh, big boy, playing with your trucks tonight. Hey, big boy, when you gonna get it right? Mama cry, when you gonna get it right? Oh, Candy, she say. One thing she said, the bells are gonna work. It are gonna help you fit do your homework. See that little boy named Chucky, feeling friendship really now work. Big boy, when you gonna get it right? Oh, big boy, playing with his drugs, everything seems alright. Hey, just the other day, police start checking on the lane. Pastor boy preaching, the words not reaching. Now I'm going for your church boss, not Both you a check for me sister. No, one go check your prime minister. Make him fix all the system and twister. But you are part of the system, want to fix her. Hey, step away. Oh, step away.
Can I sit down with myself people now good? Okay. Too much more.
Oh, big boy, I gotta be a big boy. Oh, big boy, playing with your trucks tonight.
Yo, right now, I try to borrow money so I can buy something for the youth. You know what I mean? Because I get the money, I don't know if I lost the money. Right now, I search the place about 3 times. I'm there on night 3 now. Because my mind said to me, say, you know, so right now, I'm just free for this. That's some news me watch. Oh, but you know, try some account link me though, so don't worry yourself. Let's try link me, making care money come give. Can you put some money for me? So I'm just send that come give. You buy something for the youth? Yeah, man. But I change it. Yeah, man, I have some good things I'm there now. The vibration there, I go and build one song in the meantime. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. I'm there now, so I can't really talk too long. I have a vibration here. Alright? Yeah. Oh, sit down now. What go on, artist? Where are you dealing?
Not there. The hits over hits.
Yeah, man, because that me there, you know. Oh, you hear the one say a while ago? You hear the one, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Money change them. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. And money change them. Yeah. So.
True.
So it's when I go in at the verse like. So it seems like everything in this world now have a price. You know what I mean? Well, in the order and reverence of natural nature. Not seems so nice. You know what I mean? Them have to eat them chicken, them have to eat them rice. You know what I mean? They don't want no gungo peas. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? And some things with them wear, I wonder who them a try to tease. Or who them a try to please. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So, I'm going to change them. So that's why I see them now will not order again. Because remember back in the days, you know. So we can't take it to so. Remember back in the days, you know what I mean? When people they have righteous ways, you know what I mean? You never fool us so much. I not call their name there. But you know what I mean?
Right.
But now the thing gone on different stage. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? So I'm gonna change them. I'm gonna change them. Money, I'm gonna change them. Sell out for the girls on the hill, the Benz and the range them. Was a good looking girl, a good looking boy. Now because of money them become the billionaire sex toy. Money change them, money change them. Change with the Benz and the range them. Money change them. From them I want to be a stranger. I don't want to drive no ranger. Me better maybe on the hillside. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Make sure you say voice note it, you know.
Yeah man. So right now me and I plum tree. You know what I mean? And you know say plum no free. So we just there go and do the hustling said way. So your artists, we gonna link up and burn a fire. You know what I mean?
Well said.
We have to burn a fire because it seems like all of the people them are the warrior them change because of the money. Nobody no want to get the man dirty no more than a down to earth. You know what I mean? As a Rastafari I feel earth. You know what I mean? So we there go and hold it off set speed, burn it down to the ground as usual.
Well said.
Burn it down. So what that's an idea, yeah? You know what I mean?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Alright,
sir.
so one move, burn it down.
Alright, brother.
Burn it down. Alright, that's one good look. Yeah man. Think of it now, plum tree. Plum go down on idea them.
Mommy,
Yes, black boy.
100,000 can buy.
100,000, a whole heap of money that in a black boy. That can buy a house, one lovely house and car, and you still have money in your bank.
As much something you can buy?
Of course, a whole heap of money that you know.
Because me never know say 100,000 or so much money. Me think I just like 5,000 and $1,000.
No man, a whole heap of money that.
So that means
If you have 100,000, you're rich.
so that means we can buy one house then.
Yes, then let me tell you, we can buy one lovely house and you can even have one car for yourself.
And
And you
you
still have, and you put some money in your bank.
and bank off it.
Yes.
And save up some more on top of it.
Right, that's a good idea. Good idea that.
Well, because you don't know enough. But
So why you come ask me that?
because fire come to me and say somebody thief him $10,000. So anybody find him $10,000, him give them 100,000.
In well one back that the $10,000. There's something special about
That
that
man say,
$10,000.
that $10,000 sounds kind of safe to me still. It sounds sticky.
No most you know. But he have special sentiment to him. That's why I'm offer that the amount of money just with $10,000.
$10,000. How picture it in me I say $10,000.
For 100,000.
Oh man, something alright. So I say, I go work your Bible and key. And put down the names them. And hold it so. Anyone is spin pan 5 times, you know say that's my day they have it.
Okay, so you have any idea who take it?
I don't know mommy, but I go down here go link fire. Come on, I hear what I have to say now.
Go on and hear what you have to say, but don't get yourself involved. If you know who take it, you must know what to do.
If I know who take it, mommy, I go tell you. I not go hide it.
Alright then. Go on and hear what fire have to say.
Alright, mommy. So
Alright then. Yeah man, take care.
Too fast. Too fast. Too fast.
Oh, let it be. I see the Butterfly flying around. So butterfly pitching on the ground. Everything around you in nature and a creation in a man. Yeah, it's a jar. All the birds must pitching on a tree top.
Where you going with Rasta?
Money down, money change them. Yeah man, yeah. Yeah man, for real man. Money down to your girl. Where you going, black boy?
There, you know. No.
So look like you find the money, I will take up the money now.
You know, see me have a Bible. But me nah no key. Give me 50,000 time and buy one key. No?
Yeah man now. May I pray? Go down and Mr. Chin. Tell him say I send you. You know what I mean?
You know me and Mr. Chin agree already, you know.
Go down and choice movements then.
Alright.
Go down and choice hardware. Tell them say I send you. Them give one padlock. And you have key and you get with key. And just do what you do. Me go pay them later. Go on.
Alright then.
Yeah man, go on.
That sound better.
Yeah man, go on.
So I'm working, you know.
Yeah.
You must say me I come check you back, you know.
Yeah man,
And
when you find out
me I
who
can
have it-
prove.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright, black boy.
Go press.
Can't pour the blackboard. Can't pour the blackboard. Them look on them teeth. Hey, look a boy, I give him 50,000. You know 50,000? Yo, work for me, John. I'm money change them. Money change them. Na 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 na.
I know, say don't. I said me go press. Oh, I better go back. Let me check here. I go check you. Alright.
Hey boy, hey!
How play now, this boy?
Come here man. You know say I want a little inform. I hope you not tell fire so I mean have the money, you know. Cause you get money, make sure. Hold this. You can't say you not get no money out of it. So if I tell him, anyway tell him, I tell him say are you have it. Go inform her. Make sure I'm gonna link him right now.
Go on, no? Your business that Bible and keep my work fine.
Yeah man, enough to them man. You find two.
Morning.
Morning, what go on now?
Me here say y'all look for me and no, me have your money.
No, I not say you have you know, but you see when you're a big boy, when you're a little boy there, a fight and me a part to know. I think I just the money job. But I know say you so angry one beat up black boy, you gonna have to see it and
My mother tell me say me I'm no thief and I know me thief.
your mother tell you you're not thief. I know say you're eyeglass, but me not accuse you. But if you go anywhere and find that money, see somebody with the 5,000 and the $1,000 bill, right? You let me know who thief it. Right, big boy?
I want name 100,000.
One. Show me one for your finger.
Which one on my finger?
This year one. So you see, because you name big boy, if you find it, me I give you them your money. Them your money, that's a 500,000. Everybody else go get 100,000, you get 5. Just, yeah, find out thief. I thief back from can come, I'm going to give you 500,000. Yeah, man. So that's the thing.
What 500,000 can buy? You can buy me one big truck.
It can buy you cutie.
Cutie.
The little fat one there. You can't buy back cutie from the pastor. Right now if you have the money there, you can get the pastor and the pastor give cutie. Go on and find it and carry from.
Alright, cutie. Cutie, I'll come back.
If you carry money, go give pastor.
Alright man, when time I don't need that chips, I'm going to link you.
after me get the money we last can buy cutie back. But the money we give you can buy back cutie. But find the money can come.
Alright. Randy, where you going? Where you going?
They are going to use the money. Good.
Wait. I'm on up the sock and tell I palm me some teeth for money.
I'm on money.
Give me some of my chips. 2?
Yeah, man. 2 you say you want.
So you don't no juice?
No, sir.
You all have juice. So if you don't have juice.
No, say me left you over here there.
Your mother will call you. Your mother will call
No,
you.
for your juice, you all call me for. Yeah.
Go feed down. Go feed.
Alright, me have forward.
Mommy, we can get something to drink, please.
Yes, may I come?
I say you stay, man. May I hold this and tell us me I go to mother and come back here drink out my juice, big boy.
I know me drink your juice. Yes,
So I will drink
I
the
know
juice.
fear juice that day.
And my juice, man, where you find it?
You don't say I go over your yard. You tell me say I go over your yard for your juice. I smell the juice and I crate. Take out.
And my juice, man.
So how you tell me say you're not unknown juice?
Candy!
Oi.
You know, say big boy see me out there, so me and him a reason I go to mother and hide and thief out my juice.
Mommy, I lie. Mommy, I no film juice, mommy. He having juice over your yard, mommy, and he say I go over there and me see juice and I crate, mommy, and I drink the juice and I film juice and people juice.
Big boy, you traveling juice?
Mommy, me drink it and I film juice, mommy.
I no film juice.
No, mommy.
Alright. I know say I no film juice. But you see this way you ask me for you now go get it. Me give you one different one. Hold this.
Alright.
Sorry about that there.
Yeah, man. You
Alright,
have to eat him doing.
Me not lick him, just go on. Alright. You
Alright.
can't take back that.
I know me drink your juice. Don't
Alright.
tell no
I
lie.
don't even take it, I don't even take it.
Don't tell no lie, Pam.
Get up, you're not like.
Mommy!
Get up. Don't take people things. Stop people things. Stop take people things. Come here. Come here.
Mommy, I don't feel juice, mommy.
I don't feel juice, you know who for one? Eh? You know who for one? You see who put it there?
No.
I see where you could have Payz. So don't give to you. Don't take things when I say. Don't take things when I give to you. You could have Payz. You'll be in trouble. Let it go. Barney, let it go. I see you could have Payz now and make police come lock me up. Come here. Come here. I need to talk to you. Oi, me go talk to you no more. Stop it nice, stand up. Stop it nice, man. Stop it nice. Me talk to you. You want something for ball for? Me say fi tap it nice. Big boy. Watch out. You listen or you not listen? Which one of them? Big boy. You know say me tired to lick you. God Almighty know me tired to lick you. You not tired to get lick? Me tired to lick you. Look, me can't manage to lick you so. You think I lick more lick you? Me no want beat you all the while, you know. But because you're not here, your ears too hard. You need to listen. Big boy, you want go cops? You want me send you cops and go for your sister? You look like you dey work hard to go a cops. Or your father you want to stay with? You want to live with your father?
You want to live with your father?
Every time you beat me, me not do nothing.
You not do nothing? Big boy, can you imagine? You go to people's place, go see drinks, put down. You not even know if a gas in there or cursing there, you just take up a drinky.
I no fame juice, man.
I know film, you know who for? You look like a you they put it there. You know if you take up things or you see put down and just take it put it in your mouth, so you're dead. You must learn to ask questions and a matter of fact, I know you put it there, I know me put it there. Why you go take up it? Me can't take this no more with you. Big boy, me tired to lick you, I swear. Me tired to lick you, you need to change your ways, man. You need to change your ways, me can't take it no more. You see, anytime you see people things and take you up and then don't give it to you, that mean a thief, you're a thief. Practice become perfect. And which one of the hand you use to take up the drinks? Which one of the hand you use to take up the drinks? That one, yeah? Hold out your hand. Boy, me can't take it no more.
Mommy, me sorry, me not gonna do it again, mommy.
You not do it again? No. Jesus Christ, how much time you go tell me that day? You not do it again?
Me sorry this time, mommy.
Every time I say me I get a last chance, and I still give you chance and chance upon chance with you. So I idiot to take me for? Alright, me I hear what you say, go on. Don't make nobody else come complain to me. Go on in and go spread up your bed.
Mama, you have to deal with me good enough. Because when you're old and me, I go take care of you.
You better take care of me. Because the little problem you put me in, how much money me have to pay people say, because you will make case get bigger and come work and give me them back.
Come on, touch you, man. No more you do for me?
Yes.
More stand up right this up. I watch up this and they say my police are coming. Run, come call me here.
Yeah, daddy.
Me carry one soldier man.
Soldier man?
Yeah. Come on this man.
beefy.
Yeah, brethren. What I come for the plum them? Cause lose me, I lose you know. You wanna know say at the end of the day, your son carry money come give me, you know earlier. And besides then, go up on my yard, say I go deal that thing and then go give me baby mother money out tight and go do that and reach back. You know what I mean? Now me I search the money, I can't find it. You know what I mean? So you may wait for them, just go all fresh off and change off. Come on, go up on the road now. I need if you go check somebody who can go up on a case for me, you know. Because somebody in the lane take the money. You know what I mean? So me go move for yourself now. So you may wait for them. Come pick the plum them now. I send somebody come pick them. You know what I mean? So I can cut and forward back. I don't know what the plum tree I'm not there, you know. You know what I mean? Yeah man, hurry up and come page me now man, because I need to go investigate and find the money back, you know. All that money they missing daddy. Right now I have to borrow money from somebody saying go get the youth, make youth have something to eat in the meantime. But come pick a plum them daddy, I can't get for them, I do. Because right now I need to move for myself. They have some things to close now.
So she walk out. She asked me if she come out of the yard. No, she gone. My last call me a call, you know. That's why I don't like telling people pick me, you know, they will put her in a trouble. Kira! All rain they come down and they pick me gone. Boy. This is more than 6 pitney, but I want more I want. Can't manage too much of them. For your mama say 5 hours. And it come like a 5-year she take. I wish for today. What's that? You think you over Chucky yard? She know over there. Chucky! Nobody know there for them yard today. With this. What you doing up here? Who send you up here, so?
Nobody.
A matter of fact, who send you out of the yard?
Nobody knows any out of
Nobody.
the yard.
Cause nobody know there. Me no there. Me last, me invisible. Little girl, I trouble you come to put me in a?
No, Auntie Candy.
Don't shake your head off of me. It's either yes, Auntie Candy, or no, Auntie Candy. Don't make me box you. Your mama no teach you no manners. Eh?
Yeah, no, Auntie Candy.
Big boy no tell you what me do with him. He have fear manners to me when him bad like a yard. Little girl, where you get cheese strip from?
Bye-bye.
Get up when me I talk to you and show respect. Oh, Taga. You buy. Take out the finger, you think me and your mother the same thing? How much time if I talk to you? 1 million times over the same something? You idiot? Give me this. How comes you come by this? Who give this to you? You dumb now.
Me buy out of a shop.
Who give you money? You working?
No,
You're not working. And who give you money?
one man.
One who?
1 man.
So your mother tell us, say, you must walk and ask any man for anything. Eh?
Yes, Auntie Candy.
What you say?
She said nothing wrong with it.
Your mother tell us to walk and beg man. The devil is a liar. Come go in the yard. Go in the yard. You think your mama is the same thing? I will bust your ass in a little girl. Who send you out of the yard? You till I hold you. Go charger.
Yo. I'm there up on the road, man, to see if I can run 2 trip, man. Alright. So, yeah, man, I can pick up, man. A simple thing that, man. We can pick you up, man. Alright, so just make sure so you have it ready, you know, so as I come, I just pick you up, because I can't too tired, you know. And I say I work, you know. And plus, I have a couple of passengers where make a couple calls to me and some to pick them up too, so I can't too late. You see it? Alright, so I'm going to do that right now. I'm just going to link you in a bit, alright?
Little girl, you still eat the cheese chips? Did you tell her to continue eat it?
No, Auntie Candy.
Listen to me. You look like a liar, tell. You know? You look like you tell me one big fat lie. Where you get the cheese chip from?
Me go in a shop, go find it.
Where you say you find the cheese chip in a shop?
Yes, Auntie Candy.
Oh, you fit go in and people them place. And you don't see nobody and see something on the ground and take it up. Your mother tell you to pick up dirty things off the ground. Oh, you're so nasty. Oh, you fit go find things on the ground and take up here and eat it. Lord Jesus. Little girl, you are running belly, you know. You know if you pick up things where you sit on the ground. Nothing where you sit on the ground. Don't take up here and eat it. That's a nastiness. Take out this stinking finger. Every minute, the people them have to hear me. They tell you to take out the dirty finger. Look like you want to spoil up your mouth and buff up your teeth them in a ear and look like a son damn ugly pitney. You idiot? Little girl, go on in the yard. Go on in the yard. You little and lie. Who to tell if I find out damn cheap? You little and lie. You and your fun like no more.
Yo, why you done broken your whole bag, so?
Alright, here.
Alright, you done, come on.
Nablet, you miss one cheese chip over here?
Yeah.
Nablet, how much for the cheese chip?
$70.
$70 for it? Me up pay you for the cheese chip. Little girl, what make you lie so? Take out your finger out of your mouth. Apologize to the lady. Your mama teach you for thief? Eh?
No, Auntie Candy.
Don't shake your head off for me if you have manners out of that. How much time if you tell you if you don't shake your head off for me? If you say me your size, look on the lady and tell her that you're sorry if you steal her stuff.
Sir, I'm sorry for stealing your stuff.
Miss Navlet, I'm sorry and I'm not going to do it again.
Not going to do it again.
What me just say if you say?
Miss Lovelet, I'm sorry, I'm not going to do it again.
Okay.
Show me where you take the cheap chip from, where you find cheap chip in a shop. Liar.
Right here, so.
Where? Then you really push your hand through the people them window you saw our door and take down them things.
This Auntie Candy.
Turn around. Looking at me eye. Turn around, we are turning your back gate. Why you come in at the shop and steal? You hungry? Say if you're hungry, you don't come ask me for something. Watching, lady. See money here. Take for your cheese strip. Take out the finger. Apologize to you, lady. Miss Navlet, I'm sorry and I'm not going to steal again.
Miss Lovelet, I'm sorry and I'm not going to not do it again.
You got here, Jesus, come down from up heaven. When you're the thief out the woman cheese stick, you do it straight, but now you talk lean. Looking at the woman eye and say, Miss Navlet, I'm sorry. I am not going to steal again.
Miss Lovelet, I'm sorry, I'm not going to steal again.
And no matter of fact, me not thief nothing over here again from you. Me will call you if me, when me see you come, me ask the serve and pay for what me want. As from today, me a top thief.
Miss Lovelet, I'm sorry, I'm not going to thief nothing for your shop again. As from today, me top thief.
You swear? Go so. You're not thief again. Listen to me. If you ever thief nothing again for nobody and a for me here there, me kill you with lick, girl. You know me? When you go over ask big boy how your mama stay or tan, or whatever way you want to ask him. Say big boy how your mama tan, me never know say so she stay. You hear what me say? Don't thief, your finger see me? Which hand you use take up it? Which one hand you use take you up? That one here? Show me how you take you out. At your little rich, you. Don't thief. You're not fit thief. You're not fit thief. You're long in a yard. Big and fool like your mama. Thank you. Thief now, I'm going to slap you. When me don't slap your mama, sorry, say when you left you down here. See, because you and big boy, me not tap spend money. All when me not have me, I feel they spend. You see all that one big boy there? Wait till I hold him, because feel me, I'm not tap call up in all kind of sitting for him with you. You don't know what kind of pasta that boat ain't phone for picking. And still the body.
You take care around now.
Daddy get shot, I can get locked up. Push on.
Just come and gone.
You don't get no shot?
No.
Not to lock up?
No, just come and gone.
Where?
I'm on the road, when you gone, I must on the road and pack up things and run away.
Police force of workless. Workless.
So you call police for the man now for brother.
One get rid of him.
You're not top and beat, you're not true. You're not here. You're hard days.
Daddy, you don't understand what I want. Daddy evil and wicked. And I don't care for your power, you're brown and your mother black.
I'm a daddy.
Me a talk about.
No.
The boy, the sister boy, informer youth. Where they at tell him say? Where they at tell him say?
The cook.
I lie, daddy.
Where him say?
Tell me say I get shot or something, daddy. That him tell me.
What kind of shot?
That you tell me say.
No, daddy, not that the shot there.
Them boy him running here,
Shot
daddy.
has.
So you set me up for me get shot and you think say me dead? You think say me dead? No.
No, daddy.
You think say me dead?
Daddy, me I tell him to learn.
You see you're not for me pitney, you know. You're informer that time, that now in my blood, you know. That now in our blood better.
To respect you, daddy.
So you respect what?
But tell you something. Come, daddy. You see, daddy, a fool.
See you.
That's why I tell you, say you're a jacket.
You're a jacket, say ugly. My favorite daddy, my nose long like daddy one. Feel nose lean.
You're right, it's true, because I'm favor greater. You're right.
Go on, you hear that me I tell you here? So
Me
I
not
like
sleep
you a
at
big
tonight,
boy.
you know. Me not sleep at
Anyway,
tonight.
I see me I come there and I left me in the yard.
You see now, me are the man of the yard. You see daddy run gone, he can't stand there. You see I stand now, half a dumpling and piece of meat.
Yeah, eat that, Chucky. That me I tell you, I eat that. I
Are you
got the
bigger
most work in the yard. I'm putting
Are you bigger brother, you can't eat that?
Run, boy!
Grandpa! Officer!
Are you?
You frightening me.
You frighten you? Don't worry about that.
Me think you kill me father.
No, and that's how we do it.
But in just Jawa AK-47.
Gun? Big gun?
One, I don't know if big.
One big long gun?
The one when me see them have.
Alright, calm down. Is he over there?
He run down because me trick him telling the police are coming. They know see I come. They know me keep me mouth shut. And then
No,
they
so
come.
you can't do that, young. I smoke fire, sure.
Officer, me say, hey, have a big gun in chuck me with it.
How long you gone now? How long you gone? I'm saying I can't even.
But 2 minutes, they run down the road and catch him.
You may catch him?
But yeah, me I say, officer, me tell her, say, shoot him.
No, that's how it work. That's how it work.
How it work?
Because if you do that again, I can arrest you, you know. And see you go down at them picnic place. You have picnic prison too, you know. You never know that.
But remember, the police, police shoot innocent people and him a bad man.
Step away from me. I'm going to go down there for hey, stay off the road. Stay off the road.
Off the road.
Yeah,
Off the road.
all right.
You know, for thief, I make them catch you. You know, for thief,
What is happening here? Hi, what is your name, young girl?
Kira.
Kira is your name? Kira from where? You live on this lane the first I'm seeing you. Hello. What are you doing over there? Is over there say you live?
I'm a grandmother, yeah.
Why you troubling people coconut?
I'm a grandmother, yeah.
Officer.
Come find people and place.
Sir.
My grandmother, yeah.
I'm a grandmother, yeah.
Big $100 mama buy ice cream now.
$100 for buy. Where's Oshi? Where she come from?
My sister.
Your sister? So why she's begging the officer money? I don't understand this. You think I should give her?
You see, you work for the government, I can't give her.
What do you think? I think I should give her money?
You work for the government, I can't give her. You can't give me $100 to buy one bag.
You know, say so like I don't feel so I feel good or nothing.
Sir, give me money, $100. I buy ice cream.
Ice cream you want to buy? Them sell ice cream on here, sir?
Don't at that shop there.
Don't at that shop there?
Give me it, sir.
Oh no, I'm for there now. I feel I forget the money, you know. Don't feel like I forget because I broke. I feel like I'm gonna broke there, but as a matter of fact, I give you $50. I'm not giving you $100. $50 me I give you.
$50 can't buy ice cream.
Go buy the cone and look small.
You want the $100?
No.
We can't see this.
Don't worry about where you see.
How it work?
Don't worry about how it work. $50 me I give you, young girl.
Let me see. Boss one out time with me here.
Boss one out tight? Step away. Step away from here, son.
Just go, sir.
Over there say you're going? Go on quickly. You understand me, I say? Because you night I get, the place is getting darkish. Go on that way there. What is your name? Are you name big boy?
No, sir. I'm in here.
Well, are you name big boy, right?
I'm in here, sir. I want boy up the road.
Up the road? Young man?
What born?
Young man?
Yes,
Why you look so troubled?
I don't look troubled. I just did have something to tell you.
What you saying? What you saying to me?
You know, say, big boy. Me and him did have a little conflict up there, so, and him pick up Rasta money, cause Rasta wipe him face, and everything, you know. I'm just telling him to give me $1,000 out of money. And he take it, and he go and him buy what he want to buy for himself, and then he gone.
Pause for a cause. You mean big boy?
Big boy.
Is it the same boy that has a hat on his head? Which is a grey looking hat on his head?
Yeah, him, same man.
Okay. And you're saying that him find the money, take the money, no give you none of the money. You begs, so you come tell me.
Yes, sir.
So you go.
Yes, sir.
You know, say I'm a police officer, right?
Yes, sir.
My name is Officer Smiley. Don't say sir, say Officer Smiley, say?
Officer Smiley.
Yeah, that's my name. So you're telling me now that this same big boy, he found the money and he don't want to return the money.
No, sir.
And you're sure of that?
Yes,
Remember,
sir.
you know, you're talking to the police.
Yes, sir.
Alright, I said stop, say sir, say Officer Smiley.
Officer Smiley.
Well said. So alright, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna have to search for this young big boy. Right?
He always if I remember if I don't lane the other lane then what you need to go check out one of them.
Okay.
Always sit down with my next brother who named Chucky.
Chucky. I heard about this other Chucky, you know. His father I want to hold him and I hold him. Only Jah alone can save him. Remember I tell about this Chucky? Yeah, but despite all of that, worry yourself, I'm gonna find big boy. Cause you see that same hat where you just explained to me what I was saying happening head? And him, yeah. Up the road I see him and this little girl was beggy. Just wait, because this a lane, I go off the car, headquarters. Helicopter will come in this place because there's no big crosses are going here. Not the informers are here, which is good for me because it makes me work much easier. Just watch what I go on. Yes, mommy. Yeah, Oh, yeah, I'm going to check Candy too, you know. Candy needs to know what my hickory bounce for me. Hello. How no do? Officer Smiley here. I soon enjoy yourself. You buy the ice cream? Did you buy the ice cream?
$50 can't buy ice cream.
$50 can't buy ice cream? Big boy. How about truck can sell you know?
What kind of truck?
A nice truck, man. Just $10,000. You know what I mean? Well, you know, it's something that will fit your profile. You know what I mean? Because I see you. Are you named Big Boy, right? I know you named Big Boy. Well, you stop. Why you leave her alone? If she want to suck, make she suck what she want to suck. Don't fear her finger. Leave her alone, man. I'm the police, you know. I can lock you up for these things, you know. You're visible assaulting her. Make she suck what she want to suck. Right?
Yes, officer.
Alright, good. So like I was saying to you, yo.
More on to truck for buy.
Want the truck for buy? Alright. So I can show you the truck, but you have to show me the money if you have money first.
The money don't on me yard.
Money down my yard?
Yeah.
Alright, come on.
I go from me yard.
Quickly.
say my mother said me give money, you know. Don't make my mother know something.
So don't make your mother know say you get money. Let me tell you something. I hear that it's you take the money from fire money. Now fire money this.
No, sir.
Now fire me I carry a station. Know yourself. I'm gonna lock you. I'm gonna lock you right now.
I know me thief, sir.
So it means that you thief is. How you get money? Your mother give money?
I'm a partner money.
Your partner money? Little boy like you. Hello, let me tell you something, man. Don't go on like you take big officer smile if you a joke. Eh? Don't a prison me I care right now, a station right now. Mommy, call your mother now, because she too get locked up. So if you want to get locked up, you know say the system have to run that way, right? This is officer. Don't a station me I bring right now.
Sir, please, sir. Me not gonna do it again.
You not do it again?
No,
you not
sir.
thief again?
No, do it again,
Not
sir.
do it again?
Me not go thief.
You not go thief?
No, sir.
Down a station you go.
Sir,
yeah?
please,
You have
sir.
a lot of friends down there.
Sir, please, just
But you want
not-
chuck. You
Sir.
want big chuck.
Sir.
Big chuck. And you thief and so call your mother. And so call. Now do it again?
No, sir.
Matter of fact. How much money this?
10,000.
$10,000?
Me can't count.
Don't worry about that. Me can't count. You look, I got 10 for you. Here I go on. I'm going to give you a chance. Here? And you see if me hear nobody's talk about that money, yeah? You're going to be in big trouble. I'm going to come for you specifically. This boy in the hut, a big boy. You say, what if you on the backside that? What you call that? I'm going to let you up off the ground. You're going to run and go in the house right now. Half a tree. Tree!
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, sir. This wasn't a bad day after all. Moving on there.
Want some ice cream, you know?
You not get none.
I tell mommy for you.
Make here go on.
I'm there, what do you want? Eh?
I tell mommy for you. I tell mommy say I make man buy ice, man. I beg man ice cream.
Go on.
I tell mommy for you.
Big boy, where are you in dirty water?
Mommy, rain fall and me know my shoes wet up, mommy.
Rain fall. Come here. No, you need to go out of yard. I'm sending you out of yard. Where are you doing in dirty water?
Mommy, me know my shoes wet up, mommy.
So you already catch germs in your foot? You know what dirty water do? Eh? You know what dirty water do to people's foot? You can't catch grunage. You can't catch wingworm. You can't catch a pole. You see me? You see me money? You see me? You want to come put me in a trouble? Catch a pole fan. You see me have money? Me have money. You see my trouble you put me in already. You know what dirty water do to people? Eh? You want your king fussy. How about you do laugh? I laugh, you laugh. You see you? You see you look innocent? Give me ice cream. You see you look, turn up there so.
Give me some of it.
Give you some hour. Me fi take it for him and give you. Oh, cut your finger. You see you look little original? You see you look innocent? Like you can't mash hands? Where you get money from buy ice cream?
One man give me.
One man give you. You know the man? The man of your daddy? So for your mother not tell us you know fi take things from a man a road. You know a man do to pick me well love beg them? You beg man money. When you beg man money, what man give you?
You don't know.
I don't want to tell you. Listen to me, you little. I don't want to use you enough to use to you. And you know where that give you? Baby. Baby. One in a yard. Little and rude now. I soon bust yours. So I told me not like little people pick me. Come go in a yard. Come go in a yard. In a dirty water out there. Out harder.
Please, me I beg you no. Subscribe as on the company channel. Subscribe, me I beg you no, please. Subscribe, me I beg you no. Yes, subscribe, please. As on the common.
Miss Candy, can't stay by your feet night.
Come in and so contact me.
My father put me out.
What do you mean your father put you out?
I don't know, he just put me out. He checked me, say, "I'll kill me," and put me out.
And if you take care of your papa come down here so.
He not go come. Me I tell her, me want to stay till the morning, me go for my mother go stay.
Come like a daycare me around right now so. Where your next brother then?
I don't know.
You're bigger than your brother. And if your father put you out, when do with your brother?
What he put him in?
Put him in a
Because he put me out, he have to put him in.
Look here. Come like a nonsense, you're not just big and fool so. I don't understand this, so me if you take you in here so. After you come down and take me picnic and carry when nearly joining me.
You know John though. He's still alive.
You know so I don't want to talk to you. Actually I look up in him and me turn up and they really the answer where I say, because foolishness here chat. I don't understand. You come in here so. Come in here so. You can sit down. So, where you say now make your father run you out?
Kill me with lick today and me run go call police. And then lock him up and he come back and put me out. So me I beg you to put me up till the morning, and when the morning come me go and my mother first thing. Chucky, what you do? You sleep over here tonight?
Mommy, no.
I'm going to make you stay for tonight. And tomorrow morning you make sure you go straight up to your mother. I would it call you out here so? I notice you don't have no manners, you know. Look up and take out your finger.
Mommy, but you can't make Chucky stay over here tonight, Mommy.
Why?
We have guests, Mommy.
But are your friend? And are your friend?
Not tonight, Mommy. We have guests. Chucky, go on over now.
So you look like you deaf. You know you're saying father run him out. So you already your friend sleep on the road.
Church party, she go sleep, Mommy.
Don't worry about that. She go sleep here and your friend go sleep over here. A little pitney them, me can't left them on the road.
Alright, make sure
you
sleep.
my next
sleep,
one.
Make sure sleep side of me, Mommy.
Side of who? You feel... Look here. Don't make me cuss in here tonight. You hear me I tell you? Oh, Tada. I notice say I look girl for a long time now, but with the people them picnic you now come put me in no trouble for that one yeah. I want him.
Nothing happen.
So me hear you horn like a dog.
So me kinda cold.
You're cold? Alright, so you did bathe over here before you come over here?
Me no bathe for a while, but it good.
What do you mean? No water in there for your yard? Lord Jesus. So you need to bathe before you go sleep then come now you dirty up the couch. Little girl, you still a sucky finger. You hungry? You not get something to eat already?
No get nothing.
You look like you have worm. You crave them. Anyway, big boy, you know for your bed as usual.
Yes, Mommy.
Get up, get up, Chucky, get up. She a go sleep here, so no tell me who no want sleep. Get up.
Mommy, me no love man, Mommy. I can't make Chucky sleep side of me, Mommy.
Chucky. When last you change your underpants, you want to go bathe, man. You need to bathe first before you go to your bed. Alright, here so you sleep tonight. Alright. Big boy. You want to go sleep tonight? Head and tail. Little girl. Then name Kira. Yeah? Don't shake head for me.
Yeah, Kira my name.
Well, you must say yes what?
Auntie.
Yes, Auntie Candy.
Listen to me now. You know the reason why I not make you sleep back with me again? Because you piss up my bed. And make your manager the big old mattress if you put in a sun. You understand me? Okay, so you're going to sleep with big boy tonight.
What make?
Because you piss up my bed. You can't piss up big boy.
No, I'm going to do it again.
Don't talk to me talk. You can't piss up big boy. If you don't want to piss on the bed, piss on big boy. Because sometimes in piss the bed, I just want piss and done. Right?
They can't sleep side of me.
You under this finger there. Come, go on. Chucky, you know you're a figure bed.
What bed?
Go and go bathe the bathroom. Go on straight down. No, not show no man no bathroom. Go on straight down there, so through that door there, and then you take a left.
Show me bathroom.
She alright. Just go and go bathe. Go and send you your yard, boy. You give me so much talking. Go and go bathe.
Come on,
you don't smell good. Come, you get up. Go on in your room and let me talk to her. Me need to talk to her where you want to listen to me and say fuck.
Jump, big boy, come now.
Go on.
Kira, take out the finger again. 1 million times, the deaf. You know why me I keep you down here for so much day? Because you're a girl. And I don't want to send you out on the road in the night. To your mama we say 5 hours, no 5 hours can come. Much day gone. She don't know how you bathe, eat, sleep, nothing at all, man. She knows she send you down here to me. Till you all gone big man. You hear that, Pitney?
The man just say, if I want ice cream.
Yeah, you say yes and take it. Your mother teach you to take things from man.
No,
So you don't know, so you don't have to take nothing from nobody where you don't know.
she never tell me.
Well, me I tell you now. You're a big girl. You how much year old?
13.
13. And you act like a 5. Take things from anybody. Don't do it again. You hear what me say? No do it again. How long since you suck your finger?
From my born.
From your band? No suck your finger again. I will tell you if you suck your finger so long.
My mother, she said nothing no wrong with it.
And follow your mother. Nobody suck you again. You better you buy a suck. You know what is suck?
No.
You don't know Kisko? Well, the same something where they call suck in name serve me long and night name cooler. They don't sell that at your school?
No.
Well, you better you do one of that. Instead of your finger. You will catch germs. You understand?
Yes, Auntie Candy.
Not like how you do that every minute you're there. Look how you get and I drain mouth water. Your finger smell raw, man. That fan sucky finger. I don't like them style anyway. You brush your teeth?
Yes, Auntie Candy.
You always brush your teeth. Because you see people will love suck their finger. They don't like brush teeth. Mouth smell raw and then sitting there. Nobody make nobody catch you they do it again. Here?
Yes, Auntie Candy.
I promise me say you're not going to do it again.
I promise.
If you need a suck, just tell me give you money make you go buy it.
Alright.
Too much sucking no good.
Auntie Candy, I'm going to use the bathroom.
One?
Bone my finger I might tell you what wrong.
Where just a little girl? You talk to me?
No, Auntie Candy.
Oh, okay. Give me a chop before you start quarrel feet. You know you say enough of trouble. You touch it in Pitney. Stay over there, son.
Oh, my pass again, man.
No time for that now. When last time I take up on a book?
We take up book every day.
Every day.
This morning.
Even since my
when?
father run me out.
You take up your book?
Mm.
When you say you take up your book?
Before I come down here.
It's like what you just tell one lie, you just say every day. I know you said before you come in here. Listen to me now.
Mommy, me take up for my book, you did in your room, mommy, and put it over there, so mommy.
Alright, guess what? You. Spell suck. You love suck your finger, spell suck.
I don't know if you spell that.
Eh?
I don't know if you spell that.
Just shut up your mouth.
How you spell?
Try and spell suck. When you done spell suck, you spell finger.
P-U-C-K.
Shut your mouth, boy.
My teacher how we spell it.
Me never ask you anything.
I don't saw it spell.
A P-U-C-K.
Listen, one at a time. Spell suck and then you spell finger.
C U K.
God almighty. Little girl. Who teach you to spell suck? Are your mother?
No.
I wish grade are you now?
Grade 5.
You're wrong. Spell finger.
Finger.
No.
Finger.
Tap it nice.
No, because I look for words on your finger, no words, no on the same thing, I look for number one
When
time.
me give you something to spell, you can't spell.
Finger.
It's finger. Spell finger.
Finger.
1 finger, 2 finger, 3 finger.
Big boy. Spell finger. Hurry up, man. Hurry up, because small grown is okay. So you know, say no manners. No wonder why your pooper run out your backside.
Spell it.
Spell finger.
F H.
No, I'm not going no further.
Yeah.
You have little finger, middle finger, big finger, finger, you have to spell it good.
Chucky, spell thief.
Me know that word there, thief. Me get F plus, so me know it.
Spell thief, can you thief out your papa breadfruit?
Oh, you know about the breadfruit?
Over yourself, spell thief.
Thief. Thief. Oh, thief. H-A-T.
Good boy.
Yeah.
Good boy.
Yeah. Tell you.
Shut up your mouth.
Mommy.
Spell community.
No.
Mommy, you spell.
Spell community.
Mommy, you spell something now, mommy.
When you spell community, then you tell me if you spell what you give me if you spell.
So, mommy, how you spell Mississippi?
Me no want you nothing fine, you know what? You see say Chucky can spell better than you know? When you don't need to run out Chucky, it won't no done snow. All you. Spell accomplish.
Accomplish.
Spell it.
C-T-O.
So you're going like you couldn't spell. Then you can't spell so. Good girl. I alone I done one. You.
Mommy, me not dance, mommy, me get F.
Yeah, give me something to spell.
Mommy, yes, mommy.
Where you want me to spell?
Spell Mississippi, mommy, please. Let me.
Miss who?
Mississippi.
Who name son? Look here. No come, you look here, boy. You see when me can't spell, don't give me to spell it. You not no manners.
Mommy, you dance, mommy.
You not no manners. You not no manners. You come tell me word when me can't spell. You out of line. You know so me can't spell already and you come and tell me. What you do, boy? Try to insult me in front of them if you then go tell them parents. You see you? You not no manners. You try to insult me about me if you spell Mississippi. Me not even force me hear that the word you want me go spell. Boy, me can't spell it.
So, mommy, how you tell me if you spell or you no can't spell,
Yeah,
mommy?
you
You dance, mommy.
What should I go do to you? Should I go for your sheet them and come here? Boy, like a big man.
No, I'm fond of saying that. Go over.
One of you, know?
No.
Come, sleep side on my yard. Sleep side. Chucky, one of you, know?
Behave yourself. You have a massive picture for your love. Behave.
Come right on this side.
Behave.
Come, you have to run this over sleep. Get up. Big boy, where you look for over this one? When you truck drop around there?
No, mommy.
So where you look for?
Wisdom, mommy.
What?
Mommy.
Where you say I look for over there?
No, mommy.
Come on, find bed, make your little girl get fair space. She sleep I can't and you sleep out of the head. Here I go on over there, so. Take one of the pillow. Put your head right here, so.
No, give me that one. Give me that one. Give me that one.
If you wanna.
Use.
Big boy, put your head up there, so. Why you can't get trouble? Selfish boy. Want you. Chucky.
Yeah.
Come take that pillow here. Hold this.
Give me my truck.
Give me chuck. Give me chuck. Me can't take your eyes on a man. Give me chuck. Come. So one sheet here. Use that. Go and go lie down. On the two. Every minute you not get problem. You can't take it up. Go on around there, so. When me tell you to sleep. All your war for chuck. Give me.
Mommy.
Give me the chuck before.
Mommy, no.
Give me the chuck. Watch. Why? You know what? Get up. You're not ready to go sleep. Get up and take off the bag and hat off your head. You're too tired, man. Get up. Give me the chuck.
Mommy, you know so me have to sleep with me chuck.
Big boy, give me the chuck.
Mommy.
Jesus Christ. Give me the chuck.
No, mommy.
Take off your hat. Take off the bag now. Too little and unruly. Take off the bag. Go sleep with the chuck. Go on up on the bed. Come. Hold on.
I don't want this sheet.
You're confusing, sir. Yes, you use the one there. Chucky, you need to go lie down. Lie down. Remember to say your prayers before you go to your bed. Big boy, I don't want to hear no talking from none out of the two of you. At night now. I don't want the neighbor them come tell me how not disturb them in the night. You hear me? You hear me say?
Yes, ma'am.
You know say you have to say for your price before you go to your bed, you know. Little girl, say your price before you go to your bed.
Yes, Auntie Candy.
You still insist? What me tell
Mommy,
you
how your prayers go again, mommy?
Our Father which art in heaven. And that you fi say. Practice. Look from when me a teacher that you don't know. Little girl, say your prayers and go to your bed. No,
So,
no,
mommy,
talking French.
let
Don't
me
give too much
see.
trouble.
Mommy. Let me see it.
Take your finger out here, man.
Let me know.
You can't see inside there?
No.
Shh, take that. I can't see inside there. Mommy,
No, I sleep side of me.
look you sleep inside here. Like mama and papa.
Take your finger out here.
Paradise Nation, Richard Brownfields. Oh, big boy, playing with your trucks tonight. Hey, big boy, when you gonna get it right? Mama cry, when you gonna get it right? Oh, Candy, she say. One thing she said, the bells are gonna work. It are gonna help you fit do your homework. See that little boy named Chucky, feeling friendship really now work. Big boy, when you gonna get it right? Oh, big boy, playing with his trucks, everything seems alright. Hey, just the other day, police start checking on the lane. Why's that boy preaching? The word's not reaching. Now I'm going to be a church boss. Not a Both you a check for me sister. No, one go check your prime minister.
Ready?
Make him fix all
Where
the
do I go to
system
water?
and twister. But you a part of the system want me fix.
So you're like a jerk to your foot. You know what dirty water do? Eh? You know what dirty water do to people's foot? You can't catch grunage. You can't catch wingworm. You can't catch a foot. You still don't hurt me up. You know, I just something know. You see that hand in the moment. You go here, you're seeing. Alright. Show over.